Alright, it's Monday, February 23rd, 2026. We got a blizzard from Sunday to now. About 10 to 30 inches. This is what we see here. This is our tree, remember? It's all covered with so much snow, it's leaning over. Everybody's shoveling out their vehicles now. You can see they plowed the street, but there's not so much traffic. Nothing's coming down the street. There's a car coming down there now. That's our camera up there.
I found this. It's been missing for.
That's good.
Yeah, I got to take a picture of this. I'm gonna send this to my sister. Say this guy tried to mug me when I came.
There's snow on top of the columns here. That's our other trees there. There's a close up. Look at all that.
2 fingers, just from a stupid umbrella. But this is closed up finally. But can you imagine?
He's cleaning off his car there. Yeah, everything is covered up here. That's another beautiful snow tree we got there. So much snow. The trees are all bent over. That's one guy going through there. I'll be here for weeks. You could see how much snow the tree is leaning out from the wall. Snow is so heavy. I'm underneath the tree now with all of the snow. Hands are starting to freeze up.